Hi guys, welcome to Transcript channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get transcribed in YouTube videos. Now what you're going to do is open your YouTube first, then choose one video you want to get transcribed, like this one, alcoholic shades.
Around
Now what you're going to do is scroll down and you'll find here three dot icon. Click on this and now click on show transcript. Then transcript have been moved to the description, so you'll find your transcript in the description. You can see here again show transcript. Just click on this. After that you'll find here on top right, not top right but right, all of your transcripts of this video. Okay, so yeah guys, this is how you can do this. You can use this transcript. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.